Hello, this is Giselle Lopez, and today I'm gonna show you the week 8 about the easy book, which is my appointment booking system. So by team members, it's me, Giselle, and pretty much we're on track regardless this week. So the hours worked this week has been 7 hours in total, around 70, and it's an estimated hours of completion 126. So success with this week we have successfully set up and around the backend server, and we also connect the project to that database. We created the customer model using Mongoose, implemented API routes like post, get, put, delete for customers. All of them have been already tested and they are perfectly working. We also test the API endpoints using Postman. I fixed some errors related to database connection and the server configuration. I have successfully created and retrieved customer data from the database. Well, the goals for next week, for week 9, is to connect the backend API to the front end application, build user interface for customer management, implement authentication, which is going to be kind of hard, improve error handling and validation, and begin testing full application workflow. I learned about so for this week about the Spit Talk Insights, I learned about recommendation systems, which I found like really interesting because it's what we use every day on Netflix, Spotify, um, Prime, purchases, like every app is using this system, which I find it amazing because, well, actually, every time they recommend something, it's something that really works for me. So, pretty much this week, we didn't have too many issues. So, we have on the challenges or blockers, initial difficulties setting up the database. Because installation issues, we had also issues connecting the back end to the database and learning how to properly use Postman, honestly, for API testing. Because I would use it before, but I was also used to work with others like applications. So it was not working, but I made it work. No questions for this week. I think I'm going well so far. So this week I made significant progress in building and testing the backend. And now I have a better understanding of API development and database integration. I'm ready to move into the front end integration. So that makes me really excited. Thank you so much for, oh, here it's a demo and pretty much I update, I post some customers, but I ended up deleting it. So you can see I have no users now to continue working on my project. Thanks for watching.